A good chalk line tool saves time, boosts precision, and makes your work look sharp and professional. In today's video, we're reviewing 5 of the best chalk line reels available on Amazon, trusted by pros and DIYers alike. Let's start with the Tajima Chalk-Rite Jam-Free CR301JF, which consistently ranks as the gold standard among professional carpenters. What makes this chalk reel special is its jam-free design and 5-to-1 gear ratio that allows fast, smooth retraction. It uses a super thin 1mm braided line that produces crisp, clean markings even on smooth or finished surfaces. The body is made from durable aluminum and holds chalk well, ensuring consistent line visibility. Users especially love how it doesn't over-chalk or spit dust all over the place. If you're working on fine carpentry, cabinetry, or any job that demands precision, the Tajima CR301JF delivers the kind of professional result that's hard to beat. Next up is the Irwin STRAIT-LINE Classic 100-foot chalk reel, a widely popular option known for reliability and value. This model has over 3,600 positive reviews and holds a steady 4.5-star rating on Amazon. It comes preloaded with blue chalk and features a robust body with a large fill spout for easy refills. The hook is sturdy and the gearing is smooth. Nothing fancy, just solid performance. It's especially good for general construction, remodeling, and drywall projects where long, straight lines are needed quickly and reliably. Whether you're a homeowner or a contractor, Irwin's classic chalk reel is an affordable workhorse that gets the job done without drama. For those who want something built like a tank, the Keson G110 Little Giant 100-foot chalk reel is a great pick. Designed for tough job site conditions, this chalk line features a heavy-duty ABS casing and 110 feet of durable string. It holds more chalk than most reels, so you don't have to stop and refill as often. This model is ideal for framing, roofing, and other high-demand tasks. Its chalk retention is among the best, so you get bold, visible lines even after repeated snaps. Professional builders often favor the Keson for big projects where strength and efficiency matter. If bold visibility is a top priority, the Milwaukee Bold Line Chalk Reel Kit is a standout option. With its vibrant red chalk and robust construction, this tool is designed to produce highly visible lines that are easy to follow, even on dark or dusty surfaces. The chalk box is reinforced to survive drops, and the retraction system is smooth and quick. The red chalk is what sets this apart, especially useful in low light or high contrast environment. If you work outdoors or on large construction sites where line visibility is critical, the Milwaukee Bold Line reel is worth considering. Finally, we have the Crescent Lufkin CL50 Compact Chalk Reel, which excels in portability and quick usability. At just 50 feet, it's perfect for shorter tasks like tiling, cabinetry, shelving, or detailed layout work. It features a 3-to-1 gear ratio for faster rewind and a wide chalk fill door for convenience. The body is compact and lightweight, making it easy to store in a pouch or carry around all day. Though it's smaller than other reels, it doesn't sacrifice accuracy or build quality. For homeowners, handymen, or pros working in tight spaces, this chalk reel is the definition of small but mighty. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you choose the right chalk line for your toolbox, make sure to subscribe for more tool reviews, comparisons, and expert tips to elevate your next project.